Hello everybody, welcome to the shop. Doing a little bit of work on my 15 horsepower Pattin oil-filled engine. And today I'm going to be honing, or at least attempting to hone, the cylinder. Now this is a 9-inch diameter cylinder, inside diameter, and I looked and looked, I really couldn't find one of those expandable type hones that went up to 9 inches. So I decided to make this contraption. It's just I don't know, it's like a 2 or 3 gallon bucket that happens to be about, well, it's just a little under 9 inches in diameter. And I drilled a hole right in the center for this piece of threaded rod, and on either side of the bucket, when I put the threaded rod through, I will put these large and small washers and nuts to make myself an arbor to put in a drill. And you can kind of see where this is going. These are flaps of sandpaper, pretty coarse sandpaper. I don't know what grit it is, but I think it should work okay. My original plan was to tape these pieces on like this. I have some nice wide duct tape, and then with it held in place with the duct tape, I would get back here and put some glue down, then hold it down with a rubber band overnight. But I think the duct tape seems to be holding on pretty well to this rough sandpaper surface, so I think I might just give it a go today. So I started off by wire wheeling the bore, just with an angle grinder and a wire disc there, or wire wheel. Wire wheeled it. It looks pretty good. I mean, I bet you I could put the engine together like this and it wouldn't know the difference, but of course I'm going to hone it, so let's see how it works. Okay, so I wiped all the dust out of the bore with a rag and hosed it down with some WD-40 for lubricant and to wash away the cuttings. Let's see how it works. So I cleaned up a spot, and who knows how well it's going to show up, but it looks pretty good. I don't really see any cross-hatching. I was hoping to see some cross-hatching, but I guess the way the sandpaper just flaps out, it doesn't come out with enough force to really dig in and cut the metal and make a nice cross-hatch like a spring-loaded hone does. But I gotta say, this worked out pretty good. So I think I'm just about done. I don't think if I keep on going, I really don't think I'm gonna get any cross hatching or anything, because I've been at it for quite some time. But it looks very good. So just to kind of clean it up and put a nice layer of oil on it, and on to the next thing. In case you guys are wondering, some of my next steps, I have to clean the cylinder out. I have to use a pressure washer to really blast out. There's a bunch of mouse nest and grease and goo and shit that collected in the air intake side. I got to blast out all the rust and scale from the water side, and then I have to pour new crosshead babbitt and connecting rod babbitt and machine the end of the connecting rod and rod cap there so they sit flat against each other, if you saw my previous video about that. So anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps out some of you guys and gals out there in engine land. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and as always, stay tuned for more.